Hello everybody. We're reviewing our schedule moving forward from our resources module, and we are now in our week that's going to end on July 26th. We're working on chapter 9 and chapter 10, which are really relative to each other. It's network risk management, which is going to look a lot like security, and then security in network design. So those are the two modules that we're going to focus on. With that said, I'm gonna, oh, there we go. Here we go. We're going to be doing chapter 9, which is network risk management. And there is your chapter that you're going to read the chapter. There is a lecture that will be very helpful. It's going to talk to you about what this all means. So I would say take the time to take a look at that. There's also, oh, let me just do the next. There you go. Within that same module, you're going to have another discussion board. By the way, your discussion boards have been fantastic, and I hope you're learning through them too. You know, I'm noticing now it's becoming more of a discussion, which is great. It's not just facts put up there, it's people contributing, and I really like that a lot. And it's also people questioning. I haven't done this before, but I'd like to put this out there, or I learned a lot from your post. So I'm really happy with the way you've been conducting yourself, and I really hope we continue this and that you see the great value that this should be in posing. So our next part would be, I have two videos put in here for you, and I think you should view both. They have some value and will open your eyes to something you may not have seen before. Lastly, we'll have our quiz, as we know about that, and then we have chapter 10. Okay, this is the next module. So this one is security and network design, and it's pretty simple when you look at it. This is module 10, so it's pretty simple on the front page here. You have been developing, and these are important. I want you to watch these videos. It's your choice. This is the shorter video, and this is the full video. It's both of them are excellent, but I'll give you the option how you want to do it. If you want to just see this part, it's a great part, and this is just more. Okay. I used to show this on the first day of class or the second day of class, and it kind of scared some people. So don't let this scare you. It's trying to open your eyes and let you know what's possible, and also how to counteract it. At the end, it actually, on the longer one, gives you ideas of what you can do. So you're going to, after you view those, you're going to put 3 responses in here. I expect the responses to be at least a sentence or 2 each one. So not just a good video, funny, try to be a little bit academic in your answers. Okay, thank you. Let's see. We're going to have a net lab that's going to be network security firewalls, and that's going to be a great content for you. And you notice I put in here all the questions presented in the lab as you complete it. That way I hope that you will look for everything. And we'll have a quiz. Oh, I did put something in here about spanning tree protocol, because if you don't know what that is and you've never used it before, I used to have a super good one, but it was like too long. It was almost 20 minutes, and I didn't like that. It was super good. It was using Packet Tracer, but the problem was it was just too long. So I try not to give you videos that aren't, I think this one is probably about 6 minutes. But it's important that you understand spanning tree protocol and look at the root and the root bridge, and look at all those little components and how it's actually configured. It'll help you a lot. Okay. Then you'll take your quiz. And that will finish off this information. Keep up the good work. Don't give up now. We've got 2 chapters this week, but they're complementary. So I want to see you guys do great work, and don't forget about your discussion board. All right. Bye.